Hello guys, once again this is Kilimzao tour and expedition. um, this is one of my game drive with one of the client. Yeah, see, we were somewhere in the middle of Nyerere National Park and we met a huge elephant. You say it looked like he was charging. Yeah, he was scared us a little bit that I'll come to you, but as a professional guide you're supposed to come and take all the pictures or video, and you see the guys are so massive, huge. It was very close, almost zero distance. Enjoy guys.